Here's a guide to help you manually reset your drum when you encounter the Replace Drum error message after installing a new drum unit in these models. With the power on, open the front cover. Press the clear or back button to interrupt any error. Press Settings. Select All Settings. Select Machine Info. Select Parts Life. Press and hold the pound key until the LCD display message changes to Reset menu. Press Drum. Press Yes. Press Home. Close the front cover and your printer should be ready to print.